hours I gotta collect. Hurst to your side and right back to my set. Bear they controlling me under a hex, yes. Ride with my midnight move so smooth cause she like my entrance. Wanna stay the night with a nigga like me cause I peek that in.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is JayLa'Shay and I, as you guys can tell, am back with another DIY project. I am moved into my new apartment and you already know your girl's gonna beef up her spot. So today I am working on the kitchen counters. I did get some contact paper from Amazon Prime. The link will be down in the description box. I'm not gonna do step by step because if you want step by step, you can go look at one of my old videos as to how I applied this to the countertop. At this point, I'm just taking you guys on the journey with me so you guys can see the full transformation of my apartment. And also, I will be uploading a video soon of my empty apartment tour because y'all could probably hear my echo now. It's empty. The only thing I have in here is a bed. So I do want to bring you guys with me on that journey. If you have not, please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. But yes, let's get into this DIY project. So this is what my countertop looks like right now. Just a plain basic countertop that you get in some of the apartments here in Cincinnati. They're pretty outdated with everything, so you'll find a lot of your countertops like this. But I do plan on using this area for just like decorative items. This is where I make my smoothies. And I did get these lights. These were actually a gift to me. But they are battery operated. So that's what I plan on doing with this area. And the things you will need is a box cutter, some scissors, and contact paper. So this contact paper is white. I'm not sure if you can be able to tell the details, but it also has a shimmer to it. So it's like a glitter white, and I want to transform all my countertops in my kitchen to white. So let's get this started. This is the last counter. This is where my microwave, my air fryer, and my rice cooker sit. So I'm at the last one and then we're done, and I'm gonna show you guys the finished result.